Hi, good morning. This is Mahek Jain from the Bee Factory. Our office is at road number 10, Banjara Hills. So we curate gifts and we customize every gift you want. You name it, we have it. We also do story events, curative events as you want. We also curate this. So from this happy moments, every story. So we have launched new products in our stores. So this is our new tray, which is based on anar. So this is a metal tray with ceramic look. So you can use it in any way. It's a versatile tray. You can place it on your dining table, your wardrobe, your dining place. You can place fruits, anything you want. So this is one product. This is a hand woven tray with anar patches. We have a new collection in this. You can use this as a versatile. This is a fruit basket. You can put all the sarees you want. You can put anything you want here. We have a good pouch, a potli. You can place anything you want in this. These are very gorgeous anar patches. Then it's a versatile pouch. You can place any of dry fruits or your phone. You can just carry anywhere you want. This is our mesh basket, a dokra work on this. This is a metal basket where you can use for many ways like hamper, or you can just carry around in this way. You can just have this patch. This is our product where it's hand beaded, handmade, and it's like you can see the gorgeous hand bead frame where you have this a 4x6 frame where you can put any of your photos and give your best look in this. Going with a set, you can see a gorgeous box which has a mirror on all the sides, and this is a hand beaded box where you can store anything you want in this as a jewelry box or anything. For the baby announcements collection, we have versatile many products in our store. So this is one of the very ongoing product. This is a velvet suit box for baby girl announcement. You can see the details here with the baby footprints and all this. These are our versatile flowers which are handmade from waste fabric. We do this is an organza flower with many different colors. You can just put on your wardrobe side, your side tables to just decorate your area. Coming with new collection, this is our lotus collection where this is a product of German silver. You can use it in many ways. This is a versatile tray. You can just put dry fruits or nuts or any other chocolates, food items, and you can just place it on the dining table or anywhere you want. So we have tiny parrots, tiny lotus flower, silver petals, a versatile tray. This is our new fabric collection in the pouches where you can see tiny lotus patches here, lotus tassels. It's a versatile pouch. You can just carry in your hands and go away. This is the shape, perfect shape, any size, any color you want. We just curate it and we just customize it. So next is this tray, lotus theme tray. Same metal tray with ceramic look, lotus flowers, petals with pink background. This is a big size tray, versatile tray. You can use it in many ways. You can just put your fruits, fresh fruits, vegetables, anything you want. You can just put it on the dining table and gift it as a way. This is in our basket. You can use it for many ways. You can just put fruits in this, fresh fruits, anar themed tray. You can put anything you want in this, just a picnic bag. Coming to this is a gold theme cardboard box where it's a huge box. You can use it in many ways. You can pack sarees, dresses, fresh fruits or anything you want in it. It's a huge size with a cute and good looking bow with many tassels and embellishments. This is our most selling product. This is a 2-tier cake stand where you can place anything you want. So you can place fruits or dry fruits here. You can place cupcakes or sweeteneries or savories you want, anything. You can just place it on dining table with versatile products in this. I have a cute flower here. It's a hibiscus themed flower with a stem. Coming to this tray, this is a round metal tray with all the cute embellishments here. This is a brass finish metal pencil stand where you can put any you can just put this on your pot or like side table, your tabletops, anywhere. You can just put everything in this. A red wine flavor candle, you can just put it on your corner tables and lit it up, and your room will be a full red wine flavor. It has a cute hand painted hibiscus on this. This is a brass finish metal hand hammer tray where there's a hand painted hibiscus. It's a jodi tray where you can just put your keys, your rings, or any of the products. You can just put on the side table or the front table or any entrance table, and can put anything in this. This is a lotus tea light, German silver, with a cute base of resin in it. You can see the petals, the finish, the lines, and the small tea light holder. And this is the set of this. So it's a set of 2 where you get 2 tea lights of 2 different sizes. You can just put it anywhere you want. It's a themed tea light where you can use for many festive like Diwali. So Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali and lotus is the divine flower which is used in Diwali festive. So this is a tea light. These are our best sellers. These are handmade and organza flowers. You can get it in many sizes, colors. You you can customize it with any printed fabric, printed organza. There's a metal wire in this with cute pebbles. So we are available on Instagram, so you can go through Instagram, the Bee Factory, you can follow them. Also Happy Moments, Inspired Stories. We have our website, so you can go through your Google and just type it www.thebeefactory.in. You can find many versatile products, many corporate hampers, any hamper you want, any customized hamper. All the hampers, all the packaging is done. So please do visit us at row number 10, Banjara Hills. Thank you.